So today I'm going to show you how to make some funky rings with the paper clips and absolutely no tools. Of course you can use a round form to make it more round, but if you want to make it with no tools at all, you can just go ahead and take your paper clip and open it up, and you want to go slowly because you don't want to stress the bends of the wire, so you're just going to go around like really slowly to straighten it out, just around like that. And this too, you can do this with the bigger paper clips. It's going to be a lot more difficult without tools because the big paper clips are very stiff. So today we'll just do it with the little paper clip, and if you want to try with the big ones, you certainly can too. So we're just going to bring that around like that. Now if you want to make your own little tool to help with some of the bending, you can just take this paper clip. I'm not going to worry too much about making the bends perfect. So we're just going to bring that here, and then what you would do to make your own tool is you just take it on this end and just bend this around a few times. So just 1, 2, 3, and it makes like a kind of a spring thing, and that will end up being a bit of a tool. So now if you want to form the round part, like I said, you can wind it around a marker if you want, but if you absolutely have no tools at all, you're just going to have to go around slowly and just use your fingertip to bring it around to make it round. Now this is going to take a little bit of practice. It's not easy to get an even turn, but you know, once it's on your finger, you're not going to notice it too much either. So just keep like going around slowly is the best way to do it, to get it somewhat round, somewhat even, and just keep going around until you think it's sort of the right size for your finger, and then you can try it on. Maybe we'll put it on that finger like that, and then just to attach it together, make sure you have it in the right place. You can either bend it up and then around, or you can just take these two and kind of twist them sideways. So we're just going to go like that and twist it kind of sideways. Now if you want to go ahead and just like break them off there to make a little bit of a knot, you can just like wind it back and forth and just break them off and have them end there. But if you want to actually make a little bit of a design, you can just keep winding these around. So just bring this around, bring these little ends around, and now at that point you can use your tool. You can just get your tool and just kind of bend it around, and then that helps to make it more round. We're just going to bring it around here, bend it around and around, and then the same thing on this side. We're going to go in here and we're just going to bend it. You can do this part in any way you want. If you want it, you know, tight, more a tight spiral, or if you want a looser spiral, it's totally up to you. The idea is just to kind of slowly bring it in and start winding the ends in. And then once you have it like the direction you want, just keep kind of bending it, because you do want this end to be bent in a little bit. So we're just going to keep bending it in a little bit so it's just going to be in there. And so once you have these ends so they're bent a little bit on an angle, then you can kind of push them in place. We're just going to bring that one there, and you want it flush with that end so it's not pokey. So this one you can just kind of squeeze it in a little bit here, and then this one you can just bring it in here. You can end it there if you want. That looks really cool, or you could bring it in more to the other side, but for that one we're just going to leave it like that. So that makes a cute little ring. And then I also have this one that I bent the ends more on an angle, and then this one too where I bent, they were not quite as much, they're more open like that.